Hi, I'm Dan O'Day. This commercial is not my style of delivery. As a radio program director, I would wince whenever it would play on my radio station. It won't ever win an award. It's not creative, and you will hate it. None of which matters to the advertiser. Here's the commercial.
This is a special announcement for anyone in America currently faced with overwhelming financial pressures due to back taxes owed to the IRS or to the state. If you owe money to the IRS or other state agencies, tax resolution programs are now available that may help you deal with these problems and get your life back on track. If you currently owe the IRS money in back taxes, if you're receiving collection letters from the IRS or a state tax agency, if you've been threatened with wage garnishment or bank levy, or if you need to file years of late returns, time is not on your side. Take the first step toward resolution of these problems today by calling the Tax Relief Helpline now. This is the perfect time to build a plan that can get your life back on track.
Call the Tax Relief Helpline now at 1-800-432-2218. The call is totally free from anywhere in the U.S. Don't wait. Call 800-432-2218 now. That's 1-800-432-2218.
Here's why that radio commercial is good. It immediately identifies the targeted listener. It gives real-life examples of the kinds of pain their target audience suffers. It communicates clearly. It gives a single call to action. It doesn't talk about the advertiser, it talks about the consumer's problem. The advertiser isn't even identified until 60% of the spot is passed. Now, here's how this radio commercial could have been better. It should give people a specific reason to call. For example, call now for a free assessment of your financial situation, or call now for a free consultation with a tax relief helpline specialist. Time is not on your side. That should be stronger. Do they mean the longer you delay taking action, the more desperate your financial situation becomes? If so, which of those two sounds stronger to you? This is the perfect time to build a plan that could get your life back on track. Well, that's another lazy sentence. Now is the perfect time? Better than yesterday or last week? If they were going to use some version of the line that I suggested earlier, that weak sentence could have been eliminated entirely. They say, call now from anywhere in the U.S. That's a big mistake. For professional services, consumers prefer to deal with local or regional businesses. That line tells the listener the tax relief hotline isn't local. We're not in any way part of your community. Now, the odds are that when you call their toll-free number, you're routed to a local associate or franchisee, but there's no way for the listener to know that. And saying from anywhere in the U.S. destroys any chance of a local feeling. Still, overall, that's a good commercial, and I'm quite willing to predict that it's generating a positive return on investment for the advertiser, even though anyone who comments on this video probably will focus on how much they hate it. I'm Dan O'Day.
DanO'Day.com.
Digital
Alignment parts.
Synchronize.